This instructional video is about the Trangia storm cooker. The Trangia has been made in Sweden since the 1950s and has remained relatively unchanged due to its simplicity and ease of use. The Trangia stove comes with a base and a storm shield, 2 pots and a fry pan, a burner which uses methylated spirits but can also be used with gas, gel or multi-fuel attachments, and a pair of pan grips, or in Australia we call them spondonicles. On the right in this picture we have the smaller 27 storm cooker model made from ultralight aluminium, and on the left we have the larger 25 storm cooker in harder anodized ultralight aluminium, which makes the pots scratch resistant and easier to clean. Using the Trangias today, we have Isabel with the 27 model on the right and Lily with the 25 model on the left. Before this video, neither Isabel or Lily had used the Trangia before. I ran through how to set up the Trangia once before turning on the video. You can see the girls are sitting quite comfortably and have set the Trangia up ready to use quite quickly. Isabel has placed the burner in the base and is ready to pour fuel into the burner. She undoes the cap part way. The cap on the fuel bottle has 2 small holes for pouring to ensure flammable fuel does not get spilt. Lily does the same, and once finished you will see that she places the fuel bottle away from the cookers. This is an important safety consideration, as we don't want the fuel bottle catching fire or being knocked over. The next safety consideration is how to light the stove. You will see that Isabel and Lily use small sticks to do this. They dip the stick into the methylated spirits and then use the lighted stick to light the burner. This keeps their hands safely out of the way. Checking that the burner is lit by waving a hand over the top, as the flame from the burner can be hard to see during the day. The Trangia pot should never be placed in the cooker empty, as the lightweight aluminium can melt. Today, Lily and Isabel are boiling some water to make a hot drink. With the water in the pots, they use their spondonicles to place the pot into the cooker, making sure that the pot rests are down. The fry pan is used with the pot rests up. They then place the fry pan over the pot as a lid. A few minutes later, the water has boiled. Isabel and Lily carefully pour the hot water out of their cups using the spondonicles and pouring out of the side of the pot and away from themselves. The cookers are extinguished by carefully removing the storm shield and placing the closed simmer ring over the burner as shown. The simmer ring can also be used to control the flame and temperature for cooking. Looked after, a Trangia can last a lifetime. The small 27 is almost 20 years old and still going strong. I hope you have enjoyed this short instructional video.